Yo, what's up? So, I started off this video with this little guy, and while it works, I didn't get very good at filming throughout the couple weeks that I was planning on filming, which is my bad. And I want to start filming more with it, and that's the plan, but see, I just wasn't good at keeping on top of that. So this is more an intro to the video of me explaining why the video is really haphazard. So I'll try and record more. I know I have footage on my phone on this camera as well. But just again, I'm gonna try and record more, but this is just to get a video out because it's been a minute. So obviously in flight, and I'd love to be able to create a lot more content for y'all. So that's again where this comes in, just getting it to look good and getting it to be where I want it to be. And that's the hard part, really, is the getting it to look good. I don't think that I can't really. Oh wow. Yeah, so I can't really change a lot of settings here, make it look really cinematic, but I have some ways I'm pretty sure I can make this look at least better. It'll never have depth of field, and I acknowledge that, but it'll at least look better. And hopefully sound decent. So I'll try, of course, and keep recording on here, but I can't promise anything. Again, just because, yeah, 60, because that's bad. Yeah, I'm trying to change a couple settings on here. Yeah, it just looks as good as it can. I mean, again, it's never gonna look amazing, but you gotta work for what you got. So, this week, a lot of flight stuff, same time. Try to get, again, that on video, and I'm rambling, but yeah, so enjoy the video. This coming weeks should be better. It is Monday, so this week's video will be starting on Tuesday. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy and enjoy the clips. Guess we got the GoPro back. This is really bad looking. I know the lighting here is rough, but I got my GoPro back, so that means I can record more. Actually, yeah, there we go. I can record more now, so look forward to that. So that's always nice. In beautiful 5K resolution. So it'll get better, I promise. For those of you who even give a rip, I actually redid my desk yesterday. You'll see it better in the light when I get home. But I put it at this angle, so I have this entry here. And I think it's actually quite nice because I have access here for my laptop and my Kindle for my schedule. It used to be on the wall, but I like this little nook. It feels a little more executive, which I miss my executive desk tremendously. And then I have my printer and stuff over here. Still looking for a new printer, but we'll worry about that later. My diffuser is now hiding behind the printer, so that's pretty sweet there. But I really like this vibe. It leaves me with like 3 cables going across the floor, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Drinking the Ultra Strawberry Dreams this morning. Pretty good. I like the Peachy Keen better, but so I've got the camera bag and I've got my flight bag over on the couch, and we're gonna see how the day goes. So I will see you guys on my way out the front door. Alright gang, so we just made it to school. Roads weren't bad, shockingly. But so we have a final this morning, and then after that it's gonna be class, and then study, and then small group, and then study, and then a meeting, and then a flight, and then drive home, and then study and do it all again tomorrow, because tomorrow's Wednesday, and I get off a little earlier, so I'll probably visit with my sister a little bit before she heads out of town. So with that being said, let's get inside and see if we can do a little bit more panic studying before the final, because I suck at test taking, even if I know the information. This shouldn't be a hard one, but famous last words, or whatever they say. Oh wow, imagine that, the first good video quality of the day. So This final, or midterm rather, is for primary ground, so ground ops and that kind of thing. And then our mid class after that is, what is it? Probably law. Yeah, it's law. So that's fine. Not really. I don't like that class. But much good whining ever did me, buddy. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know. I am more freaked out about this final than anything, really. Oh, the law midterm, I don't know why I keep calling it a final, because it doesn't feel like we should be having midterms already. But then again, it shouldn't feel like we're having finals either. So, I don't know. The law midterm, when it happened a couple weeks ago, I finished it. It did not go terribly well, but I finished it. So, you know, take what you can get, I guess. Not like I can go back and do anything now, aside from just study and do better on the next one. I didn't fail it, but again, since I'm not the strongest of test takers, I have this perpetual habit of studying all the wrong things. And that was the case with that test as well. I don't know how I do it, because I study what I think is important, and then I take the test, and apparently nothing I thought was important was important. So it's a frustrating cycle for sure. But what can you do about it, really? Jacob, why do you get out your camera? Great question. I'm so glad you got the small lens. Look at the small lens. It is because if I have my camera out, I am 15 times more likely to go take pictures with it because it's out and I don't have an excuse to not use it. And frankly, I don't really ever have an excuse to not use it. It's more of, I'm not lazy. I am busy enough that I just forget to pull it out of the bag and use it. So I'm going to take some, let me stop bugging out, time and see if I can, why does it say I have a camera on? What is it pulling its camera feed from? I don't know. Is QuickTime running? What's using my camera? Teams. That would do it. Well, let's quit Teams and yeah, go away. Quit. Cool. Well, I will see you guys in a bit. I have some test studying to do, and I need to look at some AI stuff for my own personal schedule. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Yo, what's up? So just got out of class. Had the midterm, then had class afterwards, and I'm in one of the study rooms. Get a couple things set up on Notion, and then I'm gonna prep for my flight today. Not feeling super confident, but you know, that's life, I guess. So I'm gonna try and get a couple things lined up here. So I'll let you guys watch for a little bit, I guess. But you know, that's pretty sweet. So kind of how I have my system set up is I add most of my stuff through Fantastical because of its UI for adding information, and then it'll sync to all my other calendars. So I'll just add it here and it syncs. So I'll see you in a bit. yesterday more. Gonna try to record some more today. I don't think I'm gonna do my fight session. It was just a debrief anyway, so I think I'm gonna cancel that in favor of being more prepared for it because I don't feel very prepared for it at all. So we'll see. We'll play that by ear. But I made bread this morning. I baked most of the bread last night. I had one more left to make this morning. You know, that's always good to have more bread to bake. So, got all that good. And now I just need to okay, stinky mess. So now I just need to finish packing so I can get on the road. So, this as far as bread deliveries this week, I got 2 pizza dough and some sourdough for some other people. So, good stuff. Don't know why I set battery to 71%. That happens again. Let's see. It's